that his score is noted. Tapos ulitin lang. Go.
Sige na.
Ulit, practice muna tayo.
One.
Sige, wala mo ng video.
Walang video. Ako muna magbabasa, Trisha.
Sige.
Alas mo na. Kasi.
Tayo ka muna, bado. The pupil being tested sits down on the floor with the tape between his legs.
Yan.
Ayan ko na.
His partner places the tip of his shoes exactly at the 50 centimeter point.
Loka. Paano namin ilalagay sa bloopers? Nagmumura ka.
Naka-video ka.
Sensor, sige.
The pupil being tested braces his extended right leg against the shoes of his partner. Partner.
Wala nang kasama, hindi na kasama yun.
Sorry.
Wag na lang yung line na yun.
Okay, five.
Depende.
Then, the pupil bends his left leg, pulling his heels as close as possible to his buttocks. Ano ba? Buttocks, di ba? Buttocks.
Batox daw.
Buttocks.
Buttocks.
Buttocks. Buttocks.
As na lang?
Butt na.
Bat na lang? Parang kasi
His heels as close as possible to his buttocks.
Batox. Mamaya, botox na yan.
Buttocks.
Nagpa-botox. Batox.
Ibig mo. Buttock.
As close as possible
Wala
to
kasi
his
sa ating PS eh.
buttocks.
Dapat ka public speaking eh.
Soles flat on the floor.
Yan, soul. Ito, di ba? Hindi, ito. Yung ilalim. Ilalim lang, yan.
Yan. Ala naman niya yung sound, yung gano'n. Kaya nag-alala. Keeping the extended knee straight, his hands one top of the other.
Doon ka sa likod niya, mag-ano, itutulak mo
With
siya.
fingers fully extended.
Wait, wait daw.
He bends slowly forward.
Huwag naman tulak na ganyan.
Slowly nga.
Yung mula sa baba,
Hindi ka
mula
makawakan.
sa lower back mo dapat,
Hindi ka
dapat
makawakan.
actually, kasi gaganon mo.
Hawakan sa likod.
Hindi kasi, dapat, alam mo yung
Alam
parang,
ko dito eh.
parang, hindi kasi diba yung sa, wait lang ah, yung sa lower back, yung parang igaganon mo
Itutulak
siya.
ka niya eh.
Gently lang, huwag mong ganon.
Ako, okay. Keeping
Kasi.
Go! His hands top of the other,
Wait lang.
fingers fully extended. He bends slowly forward
Slowly.
and backward 2 times. He stretches fully forward on the 3rd time and holds the position for 1 second. So,
Wait, dapat naka-tape pala to, para ano, hindi na siya gumagalaw. Gumagalaw siya eh. Walang yata, nakapayong pa.
si Binibining Joyce, so,
Tapos na.
Yun na ba yun? Di ba si Joy, binibining Joyce, Tapos di ba may ano, next,
ikaw nga yun eh.
camera mo man ako.
Kasi gano'n na rin yun.
Ano, di ba dalawang beses yun? Yung isa sa left leg, yung naka-fold, yung isa
Eh,
right.
repeat lang nila yung steps.
Okay na ba?
Steps.
Tapos papakita yung parang ano,
Namumula.
fast version.
Okay na, kaya nga
FHM.
bilisan na natin. Go na.
Oh, isa pa.